Hey guys, what's up? It's Fable Gamer here, and today we're gonna be playing a game called Will You Press the Button? Okay, so what's going on here? I also have JC Smith and his two little brothers, Ashikai and Braylon. Braylon. I was got it the first time. And so here's how it's gonna work. We have this thing called Bean Boozled. Oh my gosh. All right, so what we're gonna do is if you miss.
Let's say you press.
Say.
Let's just have an example. Let's just
Say
press the button.
If you press the button, okay. 98% people have pressed the button. See how when I pressed the button, I got 40%, and the other one was 52. That means I would have to eat a bean after spinning, and that means I would have to eat a bean and everything, and then you guys will get it so on as the game goes on.
I'm kind of thinking of going and get a water.
Good.
What do you press?
I click X on this.
It's
It's slow. Oh my god.
I'll edit it out.
Yeah.
I'll edit the load.
Hey, League of Legends. I like League of Legends. Alright. So I guess I'm going first since it's my channel.
Read it first.
Okay. You will have eternal life and youth. But oh god. You are doomed to be forever poor. You have to work every day for food because all your money disappears at midnight, and you obviously can't stay in the same place for too long because people will start wondering why you never age. Oh god. I'm not gonna press the button. No!
No, you got it.
Yes, I got it. Oh, yes.
Okay, now you go again.
Yes.
No, it's my turn.
Okay, we're gonna switch off. It's gonna be JC's turn. Oh, thank God. I don't have to eat a bean. Thank God.
I have water for myself. I'm probably gonna. Guys, I got water for me.
I'm probably gonna have to eat a bean.
If you guys want to go.
Would you say that good or bad?
Good.
Alright, so he says it's good.
Sit there so we can switch.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna open my
Alright.
water.
So you have a IQ exceeding 200, but you act like you have an IQ below room temperature. The IQ is like how smart you are. Yeah. Oh. I almost want to press the button.
Press it then.
What's an IQ?
Intelligence quotient is the test to see a smart word. See past 100 for breathing U's.
You gonna get one, Dad.
He pressed the button.
No.
Yes,
Oh, I have to eat a bean. Oh God.
I'm already a genius. I can do math easily.
Oh yeah, she's in 7th grade now.
Exactly. Oh jeez. Okay. What bean? What bean?
Divining is the only thing that divining
What
is
did it
not
say?
my specialty.
I got the worst one.
What one?
Skunk spray or licorice.
Yeah.
Oh God.
There you go.
Oh jeez. Okay. So I got a black bean, skunk spray, or licorice. Here we go. Oh God, it's skunk spray.
Yes.
I'm gonna try and eat it.
Do it.
Oh God.
I can smell it. Oh my god.
I'm lucky my nose is closed.
I can smell
Ooh,
it.
now I can't.
You're gonna have to brush our teeth so many times. Good thing there's one in that called toothpaste.
No, I don't know there is.
Oh my god. It smells so bad.
It tastes so bad. It tastes so bad.
Did you swallow it?
Almost.
I threw it out.
Just spit it out. Spit it out. Yeah, spit it out.
Ew.
Ew, that smells so bad.
Breathe the air, refresher.
Gosh.
Alright, I just swallowed it.
Okay.
That was a good one.
Smells so bad. Okay, we're switching off to your brother.
Okay.
Oh man.
Alright, now's my brother's turn.
I should try his next.
No, Ashka's not going.
Oh, yeah.
No. All right, so it's my brother's Bray turn. You guys know. Oh God.
No, I'm sitting there. I'm
I know.
oh my god.
Ah, ability to
You're
teleport.
rushing or something.
This is my favorite superpower. Ability to teleport I can't say this word.
Instantaneously.
There. I knew how to say it, but I couldn't say it. To anywhere on Earth, you die in 25 years' time. Yes! I don't.
So far, you're the only one that has to eat of that.
Okay, Nathan, here you go. What are you doing?
We're going like in chair order. All right, that was a good one.
Oh God.
Dude, that smells so bad.
I was puke.
It smells so bad.
Okay.
But it's so like it's so.
That's good.
I already did.
Wait, no, press back. Press back.
No, no, I'm just gonna press good every time.
I'm wiggling because the bug's my...
Dude, you breathed right in my face.
Smell it. I was right directly lined up.
Dude, go brush your teeth. Stop. Okay, stop. Yeah. Okay, you get 1 TB. Wait, what? You get 1 TB internet wherever you go with a count on every private torrent ever site. You get raided by the FBI after 20 years, and they have evidence for everything. That's difficult.
Press the button.
Well, if you've done anything,
Cause
if you or your family have done anything bad, I would not.
I'm gonna press the button because I don't think my family's done anything
No,
bad.
don't press the
I'm
button.
gonna have to eat a bean. God damn it. Yep. Gosh.
Spin it.
Gosh darn it.
I get
No, wait.
it. I get it. Look, Chris!
No! I got the same one as you.
Please get licorice. Please get licorice.
Oh no.
Licorice.
God dang it. Okay, I got licorice or skunk spray. God.
Licorice.
Oh.
Licorice. Licorice.
Oh no.
Please don't get skunk spray.
I had skunk spray. I'm spitting it out. That's disgusting.
I'm greater than you.
Uh.
Okay. Take the mic off. Take the mic off so you don't get it.
That's terrible.
I haven't even. And it's my turn.
Please
Me and my friend. Oh God. Okay. Did you already press good?
No.
Oh. I still somewhat.
Leia, don't
I
press
still have somewhat the flavor in my
Leia,
mouth.
don't press the button. Leia, don't press the button. Leia, guess what? Don't press the button.
You want your drink?
Yeah, give me my Pepsi. Oh my god.
It's almost empty.
Oh.
I drink milk. Alright.
Leia,
You are the most beautiful person to ever have lived, but you have no self. Oh God.
this,
You have
Leia.
no self-esteem.
I'm gonna say I will not because I don't want to have a low self-esteem. That would suck.
What does self? It doesn't.
Low self-esteem. No self-esteem.
What does
Yeah. It
It's
means
like you're not proud of yourself.
yeah. You think you've done like you accomplished nothing. And
Freaking throw up.
You.
I'm not.
That's how bad this thing is. I have the worst. I have the worst reflexes. I have the worst reflexes to anything. Oh, that's disgusting.
I will not. Are you
Yes.
serious?
Okay, spin it.
How does that happen?
Please don't be black.
Oh, 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 it's blue. Oh, it's blue.
This is the best one. Toothpaste or
I know. First I get
I
the
eat this every time I get skunk spray.
worst one, then I get the best one. Yes. Oh,
that should be toothpaste.
I got the best one.
it's toothpaste.
how ironic.
I know.
No, toothpaste is good.
It's toothpaste.
Yeah, I know.
Awesome.
He used that to get canned dog food out of his mouth.
No, it's the barf.
No, Ashka did.
There's so many of them.
So did I. Okay.
Oh god, this is the dumbest idea ever.
Oh my god, yes. Let's see here. What's good? I am bad at moving with with a pad. You ride a motorcycle that never crashes. You can never ride in anything else with wheels or airplanes. I will not because I'm. Oh, this is both.
Wait, you can ride a motorcycle that never crashes.
But you can't ride anything.
Wait, did you click the not or did you press the button?
I pressed the button.
Okay, I got you.
Please don't.
Please let it be black. No, it's
Rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
no, it's coconut or baby wipes. It's the white one.
The like plain white one. This one?
It's baby wipes.
It's baby wipes.
It's baby wipes. Baby wipes.
What is it?
Baby wipes.
Coconut.
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 Is it good?
Wait. Baby wipes.
Ew.
It's
What does it taste like?
It tastes like how it smells, but it's good. It tastes like it might be the coconut.
Just switch, because you can't tell.
Yes, baby wipes. I can tell by the taste.
Ew.
So we've all got a bad one.
We've all got a bad one so far. Gosh.
Except the baby wipes got the worst one.
Yeah, we got the freaking. How come the older kids got the worst? The oldest kid got the worst one, and so did the other older kid. Gosh.
I got the baby wipes, but
The oldest kids got the worst one.
Oh.
All right, you get to eat the best food in the world as much as you want. You are always. Oh God, that's difficult. I am always hungry, and it doesn't. Oh God,
Good yes.
it's coming back up.
Good yes.
This is debatable.
Say no.
I'm gonna click the button.
And now I can taste it. Lucky.
Yes, I don't have to press the button.
You mean you don't have to eat a bean?
Yeah. No, we
And it's my turn.
I know, but I just want to
Oh.
right there.
Did you already click good?
No.
But I'm going to spin it for you.
No, I'll spin it.
Taste that baby wipes.
You should eat.
He's got like this miniature fan that he's using.
I need that.
You have the thank you. You have the ability to enter any game world at any time.
That'd be sick.
But if you die,
then
you
you're-
die. Oh,
that's
oh,
sick.
that sucks.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't either.
I mean, I love the first one, but not the second one.
If that was the first one, that'd be awesome. Respawn's loud. You're probably not gonna have to eat a bean.
Do it.
You have to eat a bean.
How? Why would people want to die in real life?
Apparently, they're like experts at games. They think.
Or they have games where you can't die in.
Coconut or baby wipes?
Nope.
What is it?
Buttered popcorn or rotten eggs.
What color is that one?
It's white, but it has like the dots on it.
Yellow dots.
Yeah, this one.
What is it?
I don't want to write into it.
Look at it.
It's a rotten egg.
It's not
Ah!
Keep it there. No, keep it there until you're done.
Ah! Oh!
This sounds bad.
God!
You wanna stop or you wanna keep playing?
Keep playing.
Ah!
Ugh.
Oh.
That sounded like you were about to throw up.
It's gross! Oh!
Mountain Dew. I need flavor.
Alright,
Oh!
we're gonna skip you for a second, okay? Okay, switch.
Oh, God.
Okay, I spin it for you.
Oh, I can. Oh, God. I can smell it. That's terrible.
I'm gonna spin it.
The water's not getting the flavor of the baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go, and then you. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna spin it for you.
Oh man, that smells so bad. Okay. All these buttons you have pressed will and all these buttons you have pressed and will press on the site actually do what they are said to do. All of them, but all of them.
I think yes.
Yeah, all the ones that I press.
I spin it for you, okay? I spin it.
I press it.
Lucky.
It's not luck. I'm smart. And I'm smart enough to know that. 28% people didn't. Man, how stupid do you have to be? Unless you're like me and like the whole thing, the game world. That'd be cool with the game world thing, though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna finish for you, okay?
If I get a bad one. I hope I'm lucky. You'll be able to breathe underwater. You'll have to live in a...
Ooh, that's difficult.
I
You'll be
should
able to
know.
breathe underwater.
I should know.
You will have to live underwater for the rest of your life. I wouldn't press the button.
Yeah, because then I wouldn't have games.
Oh my god, the first thing he thinks about is video games.
But that was a weird sound that I
Yes! Yes!
38% of
Yes!
people
Yes!
press the button. He doesn't have to eat one. Man, you got me
I
three now.
luck.
Three.
I have like no luck
You gotta
or
eat three now?
smartness.
No, it's 3 or 2.
3.
I've only had to eat one.
Well,
Only one for me.
two like really bad ones.
One over here. Me and Nathan are tied 1-1.
Where's the spinner? You have the
Ah,
spinner?
just gotta give me a minute.
I don't want to finish.
The people.
Okay.
Pudding or
You can live forever, but have to die differently each day.
ooh.
Well, if you
But
can.
What if you like? What if there's only
Press
so
no.
many ways you can die?
Press
Eventually, they run out of ideas for you to die.
Bio.
Exactly.
So I press the button.
So would I. Oh, please tell me people are smart.
I did it on purpose. You're gonna be another.
I know, but it
I'm
has.
gonna spin it for you, dude.
Alright.
I have a really warm. I have a really.
43%.
Are
I
you
have to eat one.
serious? Okay.
Okay, spin
It's
it. I'll get
skunk. It's skunk spray or licorice.
No. No.
No
Spin
joke.
it again. I don't trust you.
It had the bean.
Caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Okay, how does that look? Yellow dots on it.
I think that's what I had actually.
Yellow splotches.
So, for some reason, I think that's what I had a few minutes ago.
That's barf. Can't find it. I don't think you'll have any in here. You go look for it.
I have a feeling I ate one of the moldy cheese ones.
Moldy cheese. Hold on.
This one's like lighter than these other ones, though.
Alright, just eat that one.
Yeah.
I think that's
Oh,
tasty.
here we go.
I see it.
Good or bad? Bad.
Is it good? What is it?
I kind of can't tell.
Did you break it?
I have a feeling it's moldy cheese. Cause I have that flavor of cheese, but then I have like that flavor of vegetation.
Then it's probably moldy cheese.
Mhm.
I have the feeling of vegetation.
Fishy fish.
Guys, I was supposed to go after Nathan. He's skipping. Wait, no, did you already do that for me?
No.
So you skipped.
We skipped you because you went to go get that Mountain Dew.
Yeah, and then.
So it's my turn. We're just gonna go from there.
That actually wasn't too bad.
Oh, the skunk spray freaking ruined it for you.
And the rotten egg.
Yeah. Alright, my turn.
All right, Nathan's turn. Oh God,
That's my turn.
I've got bad ones all the way through except for that blue one.
Oh yeah, you forgot to eat the blue one. Oh, if I get this wrong, I have to eat the blue one.
I hope
What?
you get. That's 4 now. I hope you get the brown. 3 brown
Screw
ones,
you
one
too.
good one.
Alright.
I'll spin it.
You can program anything in your mind like the Matrix, but every time you program something in your mind, a year of your life goes by.
I will not.
I press the button because I think of stuff all the time. I think of stuff.
But 1 year and your life will go by.
God dang it.
Okay.
No, 60. You pressed the button, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's kind of like in between.
Let me see it.
It's like in between the blue one and the.
It's the blue one.
Hey,
It's
whoa,
the blue
whoa.
one.
Spin it
Whoa,
again.
no.
Spin it again.
I'll spin it.
again.
My God, this.
Because
Oh,
it's
the
in
blue
between.
one.
I moved it a little bit. Oh,
Yeah.
Lemon lime or wait,
lime or.
lime or launch chippings. That one's not that bad. Come on,
It's worse than what it sounds.
What color is it?
it's green.
The
Wait,
bright green.
Yeah, it's bright green. It's the bright green. I saw a bunch of
This
those.
one?
Yep.
Yeah. Stupid.
This one's booger.
It's the booger one. Juicy pear or booger. This one's not. This one couldn't be that bad.
I just smelled the booger.
It's bogle.
No.
That's lawn chippings.
I know.
That's not that bad.
Yeah, I got it. I'm like, bleh. And everybody else is like, yum, yum, yum.
That's not that bad.
Okay, then you're gonna be sitting where Nathan is. Cause you like get used to the smell. So
Wait. Yeah, it's lawn chippings.
Chippings. You like saying chippings instead of clippings.
Alrighty.
That was the first time I
but I can't like.
I've only had to eat one bean so far. Lucky me. You find out why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The entire world hates you for finding out. No.
Nope.
Wait.
don't want to be hated.
This kind of helps me with school because there's people who won't leave me
So
alone.
what?
But
when
still.
you get out, you're not hated.
I will not.
Why you do that?
Yes.
Man, he gets easy ones to choose.
I know.
Good. Okay. All right. Here we go.
I know how to eat baby wipes.
All right. You
get.
You're thrown into Slytherin house.
What are those?
I don't know what that is.
They didn't hear me.
You get to go to Hogwarts, but you're thrown into Slytherin house.
That's not too bad, actually.
I don't know what that is.
It's not too
Me,
bad.
okay.
I'm kidding. It's a house with snakes in it.
Oh my God!
Okay, spin it.
Oh! Oh! Yes!
You scared
Ah.
me.
Yes! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sit down, Nathan.
I hate my life.
I guess I should have got that from Slytherin.
Slytherin. It's a house with snakes in it, but it's hard to find the snakes, and it's not that bad. I hate my life for doing this. Half-Life 3 will come out. It's exclusive in the Xbox only. I don't have an Xbox. I'm gonna press it anyway.
You can come over and play it on ours.
What?
Eat a bean. Spin it.
What?
Where's the spinner at?
I got it. Oh.
He wants to spin it. Okay. Make sure your hand's off the board.
Here, let me
Here,
do it.
okay,
Let me do
let
it.
us spin it. No.
Let me do it.
There.
Let me do it.
It was black one. Black.
No.
Just respin it.
Yes.
Respin it. Respin it.
Peach or barf?
Gosh. This is another one. This is another one of the
Is
bad
it this
ones.
It's like, yeah, that one. Let me get another one. It's like an orange one. Here, this one. Here you go.
Oh God.
It's bite.
I'm gonna laugh if it's one.
Bite.
Get the, okay, you got the trash cans.
Peach or barf.
It's bite. It's bite.
I got
Blech!
that sound though.
I swallowed
That sound
one.
though. I eat burgers.
Can you go get me a pop?
This room's empty. Wait, no, it's not. The drink's not empty. Got a little bit left in it. Want a blue bean?
No, switch. Just switch.
Okay, just switch. Okay, he's on his way. Oh my gosh.
He got barf. Yeah. Get in here, guys. I'm gonna wait for you.
Stupid.
Edit this. Are you gonna edit this out?
No.
Okay. You can see into the future, and you see that your son makes $10 billion in the last 10 years of his life. He gets bullied until his last 10 years of his life. Would I want a son that gets bullied?
No. I would be smart and press the button.
Yeah, I would. Because what if I don't have a son? What if I only have daughters?
Well, you always have a son. No, but see, $10 billion, you can live off that for the rest of your life. But
No,
he'll
this
get
is my
bullied for the last
son.
10 He'll get bullied for the last 10 years of his life. But you'll always be there to protect him.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking.
You have to eat a bean.
Spin it.
I told you on purpose.
Spin it.
I can't.
Spin it.
But that's also true.
I can't.
Yeah, it's true, but I told you on purpose. Can I? If I get out of the chair, will you let me spin it? No, I'm not gonna get out of your chair.
I know what one. What's this one?
It's either. Let me see.
It's all the.
You got either Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti.
How does it look?
It's this one.
Yes, that one.
Better not be stinky socks, because look, if it is, it's loaded with the flavor.
Just eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
I will take this.
Eat it.
What kind is it?
We don't know. He's not chewing it.
What kind is it? What is it?
What's the good? What's the bad?
Tutti Frutti Stinky Socks. You said you think about it. He probably can't decide. He said earlier that Stinky Socks wasn't even that bad.
It's actually not.
Stinky socks. I can tell. The smell's
Alright.
bad.
Okay, let me see it.
No.
We're not ending the video.
We are.
No, we're not. We're gonna go through one more time, and then we'll probably end off the video right there. But we're gonna do one more time. It's gonna be JC's turn. I hope he gets a bad one so bad.
Why?
Because it's funny when you get a bad
I
one.
think it's too.
Okay, so apparently he wants me to get a bad one. So
I really do.
yeah, we'll see what happens here.
The combination of all these in it, I don't know why, but I have a sudden taste of apple.
Yeah, this was
Of an
stinky
apple.
socks.
How?
Don't judge me.
Apparently he has a sudden taste of apple.
Of an apple in my mouth.
Of an apple in his mouth. What kind of apple?
Water.
A regular apple.
Big one or small one?
Okay.
Okay, you receive anything you desire for free, but you would be considered evil. Oh,
I pressed the button. I mean, people wouldn't know that you're not evil by
exactly.
the way you act. So, I trolled you again.
I figured that.
Where's the spinner at?
Yes!
What?
Yes!
What?
Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
Gosh dang it.
Yeah, last time through. Yes.
Last time through, it's gonna be you, then it's gonna be me, then you, and then we're done.
Wait.
It's gonna because you went, and then Jay, and then me, then.
No, I thought it was you started.
I started it, but we're gonna.
We're only going to go one.
Okay, we'll just end it since I'm on.
You, me, and then him.
I'm so stupid.
So we get end it.
We're gonna end it.
Like a small outro or whatever.
Oh God, you will meet the love of your life when you're 23. Till then, you will be extremely heartbroken. I can deal with that. I can deal with that.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
No, it's better be.
For all you ladies out there, that was for you.
Do this.
No, we're ending it.
Wait,
We're ending it.
We're
We're
ending
ending it. Because you went.
He just went.
Alright, so we're gonna end the video here. This is JC Smith, and, Fable Gamer. We're signing off. Fable Gamer is love. Fable Gamer is love.